Good morning, YouTube. We have the motor installed and the prop on. I just ran it up a minute by myself to make sure I wasn't going to destroy anything or kill anybody, including myself. But I'll run it up a little bit now. Sounds really good. I really like these motors. It's a good price, $21, man, with tax. Free delivery. I mean, how can you beat that? So I'm getting the cowling repaired. I'm gonna put it back on in a little bit and see about going to the pit. Everybody be safe. Captain Hardway on the bench. Out. I got Voodoo with me too. What you getting into, Voodoo? Huh? The litter box. Oh, well, we don't want to see that. Okay. Captain Hardway back on the bench. Out.